Hey guys, just bought this scooter. I've been unable to get it going. It's a Espresso 150. I think they also call it a bug, um, or a People 150. So I've checked the fuel. Fuel lines are good. Vacuum pump's working good. I've pulled the carby off, cleaned all the jets. They're all good. I've checked the spark. Spark's all good. Airflow's good. I've pulled the valve cover off, adjusted the valves, they're all good. Kill switch is working properly. I've checked the fuses, I've checked all the wiring, everything seems to be good, but it still won't kick over. It just, like, it sounds like it's not getting spark or something, but it is. I'll just put this down for a sec so I can start it. Try start it. I've tried starting it with starting fluid, everything. I've checked everything that I think it could be and it's still not doing it. I've checked all the forums, nobody else can solve the problem, so hopefully one of you guys can help. Cheers.